Sanibonani, namhlanje sizokhuluma ngomndeni bese futhi senza imisho ngomndeni. We are going to talk about family, umndeni, and we are going to make simple sentences using umndeni, the family members that we will look at. Okay, ekuqaleni sinomama. Umama. Umama is mother. Umama, mother. Right? And then we have ubaba. Ubaba is father. Ubaba, father. Usisi, that's the sister. Usisi, sister. Another word for usisi is udadewethu. Udadewethu, sister. Ubhuti, brother. Ubhuti, brother. Another word for ubhuti is umfowethu. It still means brother. Umfowethu, brother. Umalume, uncle. Umalume, uncle. Umalumekazi, that's an aunt, your uncle's wife. Umalumekazi, uncle's wife, your aunt. Sesakha imisho-ke manje. Now we are making sentences with family members. Ake sibheke lezi zenzo. We are going to have a look at these verbs. We are looking at only two verbs that we are going to use to make sentences. Sibheka izenzo ezimbili kuphela ukwenza imisho yethu. Okay? Bona, that's the first verb. Bona, to see. Bona, see. Let's make a sentence with the word bona. Ngibona umama. I see mom. Ngibona umama. I see mom. Ngibona ugogo. I see grandma. Ngibona ugogo. I see grandma. Then we have another verb which is thanda. Thanda is to love or like. Thanda. Ngithanda umalume. I love uncle. Ngithanda ugogo. I love grandma. That is it for today. So now you know that if you want to use ngithanda, you are just going to put ngithanda and you put the family member's name there. If you want to use ngibona, which is I see, you use the same principle where you just put ngibona and you put the family member's name next. That is your full sentence. I like my grandma, or I love my grandma. I see grandma. All right. Salani kahle bafundi.